Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing 645 Rolling Green House. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. 645 Rolling Green House home offers accommodations in Davenport, 21 miles from Orlando and 17 miles from Kissimmee. A dishwasher, an oven and a microwave are provided in the kitchen. A TV with satellite channels is available. Mount Dora is 30 miles from 645 Rolling Green House home, and Lakeland is 28 miles away. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 23 miles from 645 Rolling Green House home. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.